Hello again everyone, how are you all doing these days? Well, summer is almost over and just can't wait for the temperature to get cooler. So for this clip, it's the last part of the Kurama Kibune hike. I split it so it highlights each area better. This time, I'm taking you to Kifune again, but walking further and doing more exploring. So if you want to know how to get there, click on the link in the upper right corner of this screen. Anyway, let's get on and check more of Kibune. So once you reach the heart of the town, you'll be greeted by the striking torii which leads up to Kibune Shrine, or the main shrine. This shrine is dedicated to the god of water and rain, and it's the protector of seafarers and harvests. Thus, its name actually stands for yellow and boat. When visiting, don't forget to get your omikoji or paper fortune dipped in water. Next is the Yui-no-Yashiro, but if you're doing a pilgrimage, this should be your last stop. Here, visitors write their wishes on green paper instead of white. This is because in the past, people actually used leaves, so the green paper represents leaves. It is here where the Iwanaga-hime no Mikoto, the goddess of matchmaking, resides. So, if you're still looking for that special someone, now you know where to go. Walking a little deeper into the town, you'll reach the lantern-lined path of Okunomiya. This is actually the original Kibune Shrine, but was forced to move after a great flood in 1045 or in the 11th century. It was built right on top of a well called Ryuketsu, meaning dragon cave. Now legend has it that a kami, or goddess, traveled from Osaka Bay to this area on a boat. And this is the exact site where the kami's boat is buried, and the very reason the shrine was founded. This place is also known as a power spot. Well, there you have it, Kibune area in summer. Do come and visit when you can. It's absolutely worth it. Ciao, matane. Until next time.